Gland is often referred to as the master gland because it controls many other endocrine glands in the body. Your option of that question is thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas. The correct option of that question is pituitary gland. The pituitary gland in the brain control several other endocrine glands, earning it the nickname master gland. Question number second. What is the primary function of the spleen in the human body? Your option of that question is blood filtration, digestion, hormone production, muscle contraction. The correct option of that question is blood filtration. The spleen function is a blood filtration organ removing damaged blood cells and pathogens. Question number 13. Which part of the human eye is responsible for bending and focusing lights onto the retina? Your option is cornea, lens, retina, sclera. The correct option of that question is lens. The lens of the eye bends and focus light onto the retina, enabling clear vision. Question number 14. What is the primary function of the skeletal muscles? Your option of that question is blood circulation, movement, digestion, vision. The correct option of that question is movement. The skeletal muscle provides support and enables body movement. Question number 15. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Your option of that question is blood filtration, food digestion, gas exchange, muscles coordination. The correct option of that question is gas exchange. The primary function of the respiratory system is to facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide or CO2. Question number 16. Which type of muscle is under voluntary control? Your option of that question is cardiac muscle, smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, involuntary muscles. The correct option of that question is skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are under voluntary control while cardiac and smooth muscles are involuntary. Question number 17. What is the function of white blood cells, leukocytes in the human body? Your option of that question is oxygen transport, immunodefense, digestion of food, blood clotting. The correct option of that question is immunodefense. White blood cells are primarily responsible for immunodefense and fighting infection. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a component of the circulatory system? Your option of that question is heart, blood vessels, lungs, bloods. The correct option of that question is lungs. The circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels and blood, but the lungs are part of the respiratory system. Question number 19. What is the function of the pancreas in the human body? Your option of that question is regulation of blood sugars, oxygen transport, immunodefense, muscles contraction. The correct option of that question is regulation of blood sugar. The pancreas regulates blood sugar level by producing insulin and glucagon. Question number 20. What is the primary function of the adrenal gland? Your option of that question is regulation of metabolism, blood filtration, fight or flight response, temperature regulation. The correct option of that question is fight or flight response. The adrenal gland produces hormone involved in the body response to the stress, the fight or flight response.